There guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we will be doing a review of another graphics card. The graphics card that I want to talk about today is this EVGA 3060 Ti, and this is basically because I haven't seen any other 3060 Ti LHR card running higher mega hash than this card. I also do have a Zodec 3060 Ti LHR over here, and also 3060 Ti Gigabyte Vision over here. None of them I also tested MSI Ventus. What I want to say here is that this card is doing the most mega hash out of all 3060 Ti's that I've seen and tested myself, and also I read on forums everybody getting like 47, 48 maximum. This one is doing 50, and let me show you the statistics basically, and let's calculate the ROI if you buy one today. I'm also a bit in a rush to film this video since I'm selling this rig, and if you want to know more details about that, why I'm doing it, why I'm selling off my card, if I'm planning to rebuy in the future, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video on that as well, since there are quite a few different opinions on YouTube among the miners. They all have different approaches to this situation. Doing 50.5 mega hash, and as well on top of that it's doing 1.4 giga hash Toncoin basically. So this is dual mining. If I do a solo mining, it's the same hash rate for Ethereum, but you get a lower watt usage. It's like 130 watts if you're doing only Ethereum. So here let's calculate if we're doing both Ethereum and Ton. Let me refresh it right quick so you would see that I'm not changing any numbers, it's all real and live. Yeah, you can see the temperatures. Obviously when dual mining with Ton, cards get a bit hot, but as I mentioned, I'm in a rush, so I'm trying to make it quick. Just want to show you which cards are best to buy from LHR cards, and these are the ones, and you can see why. Here's a Gigabyte. It's doing 46 mega hash at the same watt usage and doing less of Ton, and they are pretty much the same price if you look online to buy brand new. This spreadsheet for calculating the ROI and put in all the numbers. So 50.50 mega hash on Ethereum, 50.5, then on Ton we have 1.4, like that, and then the watt usage we have 157. Let's put these numbers into Wattmine and calculate how much is that in profit daily. So we have 50.5 mega hash of Ethereum on 157 watts. 157. Let's hit calculate, and daily after electricity, having in mind electricity cost 18 cents. Let's do it 0.2 as in the previous video. So we have $1.53 after electricity, so $1.53. And then we have the Toncoin as well, so that will calculate as pure profit since we already deducted all the power usage. So let's put in 1.44 giga hash into the Ton calculator. 1.44, watt usage 0. How much is that daily? And we have 36 cents a day. So let's put that in 0.36. Right, and then the card price, they're going around 600 euros in Europe. If you take a look in some German online shops, you should find them for 6 to 650 euros. So let's change that into dollars. Since we're calculating all the profits in dollars, it's $705. And with $705, it should ROI in 12 months and 15 days. And that is very good time for such market. Obviously, it really depends on the price of your electricity. Let's say, again, if you are in USA and your electricity costs $0.1 per kilowatt hour, you're profiting $1.90 from Ethereum only. So let's do it 1.9 and then your ROI drops by 2 months. So it would ROI in 10 months and 14 to 15 days as well. You can see by the end of this video, the rig is already sold. Buyers took it out, and I still have this rig and a couple of RX 580 rigs that are also up for sale. A couple of more of these ROI and best mega hash overclock settings videos shortly. So from the cards that I have left, to show you what I'm mining on, what I'm getting, and what's the profits for the time being. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.